Alright, so we have Fridge versus Pennies. Looks like Penny's taking the DK out to take on this Falcon.
I've seen Penny's DK before, and
I
he's
think
not a meme character.
No,
God of the low
Penny's
tiers.
DK is definitely not a joke. I
King of
think
the
he
Jungle,
will wreck Adam today.
But I've experienced Penny's DK firsthand, and let me tell you, it was not a pleasant experience.
No, pretty much the only counter to Penny's DK is my Zelda.
Pretty much. I can attest to that. Several back airs later, DK's off stage.
And DK can't combo Zelda in the air with his up airs.
DK can only combo the spaces.
He can combo a lot of people.
DK can only combo a significant number of people, except Zelda.
Yeah, apparently Zelda's not one of them. But anyway, we're going to the
into the
battlefield. Looks like they're going right into it.
Penny spamming out the neutral.
Yep, and spacing pairs is always a good thing to do in this matchup.
How can Adam approach? Oh, he can't. Question answered. Oh, Penny goes for platforms, gets a grab. This could mean anything. This could mean anything. Phantom.
Oh, gets a Phantom hit.
Nice, that's what Penny needs.
Grab.
He doesn't need it.
But he doesn't get it.
Can he get Nair? Beautiful tech in. Adam is struggling to combo this DK right now.
Oh, Adam does punish Miss Fair by grabbing it up air.
Yeah, but to be honest, I think this is the stage of the game when Penny's DK is lulling him into a false sense of security.
Yeah, he's still trying to feel himself.
See, oh, but my character's just a low tier, see? And then comes the upper combos.
Yeah, I'm sure after the first block,
here we go.
Penny's DK will really come out and destroy Adam.
Dude, he did not need that stock right there.
No, he didn't need it. He really only needs one.
Yeah, honestly, clean 4 stock incoming.
Yeah.
Bears on the platforms. Can Adam get down? And Tristan makes a hasty exit.
Yeah, because if you saw him in the corner.
I would have laughed out loud if he won with the buff, but he didn't win with the buff. Anyway, back to the match. Sick back air. Can he set up for the edge guard?
His back air is so good, and Adam just looks this.
I feel like Adam is trying to reciprocate with his own back air, but it's just not working.
He's smiling, but you can tell he's actually really upset.
Yeah, sad boys. Oh, Penny playing the neutral beautifully, spacing him out with those back airs. Falcon has no projectiles. Hey, talk into the mic, I can't hear you. Oh, beautiful stomp.
Oh, and the stomp into the knee, and that should take the stock.
Yeah. It's a guaranteed combo for Falcon. Penny doesn't need those. Penny just needs his up air, honestly.
But he's got about a stock lead on him right now.
Yeah, right now, I mean,
Penny's gonna get some damage. Oh, here come the up airs.
Easy game right now.
Easy.
Oh, back air.
And he goes for the slash, but he's not getting it.
Adam goes for a raw knee. Gets punished hard though.
Oh, and did
Penny need that?
Comes back.
It was a bait.
Oh, there's the bear.
Sets up for the edge guard.
And that's it.
Yo, how does this man think of these things? Honestly, perfectly spaced ledge grab. Like what a magnet.
Here come the up airs again, and the train grabs on the up airs, and here they come.
What can he do? What can the Falcon do?
Adam does not know what to do versus this.
Nobody knows what to do, dude. Even Penny doesn't know what to do. Oh, here we go. Stomp out a shield. Solid option. This is gonna pay off though. No, it's not.
Oh, and there goes the raw knee, and that's
Penny's still living.
Do it. Yep.
Lamest edge guard of all time by Adam.
Yeah, Falcon should always be going for glory.
Yeah.
Just go out there and knee him every time.
I would like to see it back. I would have liked to see a ledge hop knee. But I mean.
Oh, and then there goes. I guess we're
disappointed.
And it is tied 1-1 in stock, 0% each. Let's go.
I mean,
again, it's punished.
Now comes the ham. Like right now, like the ham has been uncooked to this point, and now DK is gonna cook it. He's putting it on the grill. Here comes. Here comes the barbecue sauce.
His movement is looking very good, though.
What's up?
DK's movement is looking very good.
Very good. Beyond good. Falcon just looks like an old man. DK is young and virile. King of the jungle.
Yeah, he's king of the jungle. He's still athletic.
His progeny shall sing songs of this.
Bear,
oh,
Adam. There it is. Panties.
Panties. Ooh. Let me say, my panties are quite wet right now as well. Anyway, moving on.
And I'm guessing Falcon is gonna counter pick.
Yo, dude, let me see your sick combos as Falco.
He's thinking about it. He's dancing.
He's questioning. What am I gonna do? I got bodied by the DK. Oh, he's thinking about. Run back?
Maybe he wants to go Yoshi's.
Oh, he's gonna switch the stage.
Like
he's gonna take in the flat zone. We also have the clean 4 stock on my Falcon.
Yeah, he's going to Yoshi's turn. Looks like. It's a good pick. I like that pick. I think.
I just feel like Falcon's gonna die at the top that much faster.
Yeah, but Falcon's heavy. It's not really something you should be worrying about at all. You should be worrying about getting edge guarded, and I mean, he's gonna take damage anyway, no matter what stages go to. So I think at least here you can get those early kills.
Yeah, I personally don't like Yoshi's story, but you know, if you can rock it with the combo characters, then by all means.
The other side of this is that
I feel like DK's recovery is a lot harder to recover on this stage because
it's so horizontal.
It's like a stage like Dreamland where he suffers from the.
I feel like Adam maybe should have come to pick Dreamland.
Yeah.
Because he would have more room to run around. He could live longer, and he could. His recovery does better on Dreamland than DK's does.
Yeah.
He gets more of the advantage from it.
Yeah, like, I think their recoveries are basically equal on this stage, but on Dreamland, Falcon's recovery is.
But the thing about your story is anything can happen.
Yeah. The boss stunts are small, like one knee, like one good knee at I think 80% or something like that, and DK's just dead.
DK just misses Randall.
Here we go. Penny's got to go back to the back air game.
Yeah,
commendable.
It's good. I think it's very smart. Every time he goes through those stairs, though, he gets grabbed.
Yeah, it's not a very good approach.
No, it's really not. There is not.
At least in the Green Ranger sets that I've watched.
Yeah.
You guys, I can't hear you.
I think it's.
Oh. That's a lot better. Yeah, there you go.
And Penny takes that stock.
Nice. And I feel like Penny is really running away with this game. I don't know why. It just feels like he has all the momentum. His back air spin.
Penny is the better player, and DK.
DK's just weird.
Might be better than Falcon.
Dude, might be.
Debate.
Hello? 100% better than Falcon.
Falcon's pretty unviable, and DK's pretty
Clean from Adam.
But Adam takes that stock too. Wow. Now we're tied 2-2.
Alright, let's see if the King of the Jungle can assert his dominance on this stage as well.
He's looking for those up airs, looking for those random fairs, gets the grab, and trying to get the edge guard with the up B, but doesn't quite get it.
Yeah, he's looking for a back air there. Oh, he gets the up air, tech chase. Even though he didn't, he did tech actually. Random knee.
Up air, knee.
Yo, where's Vanna White? Where's Vanna White though? Because that was a Wheel of Fortune. Memed on. Alright, Penny going for the up air combos. Up air to shield. Adam says,
up smash gets the kill off the top of Yoshi's.
How do you get out of that?
You can't.
You can't get out of that.
Not on that platform.
Up air.
You need up B's off the side.
Yeah,
that's
the hitbox of that is actually very deceptively large. Up airs. Here we go. Penny. Alright, Adam just needs to get off the top platform.
Yeah, he needs to get off.
He needs to get off the top.
Oh my god! And just misses by a hair.
If he had a DK punch.
But if he had the DK punch, it would have came out a little quicker, but he didn't have one charge.
There we go.
But he still got a ton of percent.
Yeah, still anybody's game though. Falcon can kill someone earlier on the stage than DK.
That is true.
Like one knee, and I think Penny dies.
But I think Penny's looking for a grab right now. Maybe a stray bear.
Oh no!
Oh, and he missed.
Adam choking.
Yep, and I think.
Is this the end? Oh, it recovers on Randall.
Show me a move.
Oh, taunt cancel.
But what's gonna happen? Oh,
that fair. Questionable. Fishing for grabs. Another fair.
They're just not punishing each other at all.
Oh, is he get the ledge?
But that was really done by Adam, and he loses the second game.
Is that? If I knew a quarterback right now, I would say, is that that quarterback? Because he just threw really hard. But I can't think of any quarterbacks. All right, Dreamland finally, but he picks Falco. I feel like Adam needs to not do what he's doing right now.
There might be a character switch.
Could be a character switch.
Maybe Penny's not really good at it. I don't know. I might want to ditto it. Oh.
I mean, Penny is a.
That's not actually a win for Adam. Let it be known that Adam will never get a win. I don't think Penny wants to do the Falco DK matchup.
Yeah, because let's be honest, guys.
Or maybe he's just switching the color.
Oh, he needs to power Green Ranger right now. That's what he needs.
He's sticking the Hulk. Pulling out the Hulk.
Dude, he's already been hulking out. I'd love to see what this is right now.
They're actually going Pokemon Stadium.
I guess. Alright, Adam switches to Falco. I actually recently saw a tweet when SJ said that dual-mating Falco and Falcon was the worst mistake he ever made. I don't know. Adam's a better player than him, so I think he can make it work.
That's true. Oh, but the fair actually hits.
Wow. No, I feel like it's like the worst option to get, though. The startup is a lot, and I don't know, the benefit is not so great.
It's true, but if you do get it, it's a decent amount of damage.
If you can get it, then I feel like the morale damage is significant. But back air is obviously DK's best approach.
Yeah, it's definitely
grab
from the front.
Grab. Yeah. Penny's DK actually trunches low-level players because if he gets one grab on you, which is usually a shield grab, You know,
that's probably the stock.
yeah,
then,
probably a stock. Or like even if it's not, you should just like slide you off the stage anyway.
I know DK can 0 to death Falco,
Can
but
he?
it's still one of his hardest matchups due to the fact that Falco has lasers.
Yeah.
Any better combo game than DK.
Yeah, well, look at Adam outplaying him right now with these lasers. I love to see some lasers. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. I myself is spamming lasers, but I feel really bad about it. But I feel like Adam's enjoying it.
Yeah, but I feel like it's a kind of a mental block that you should be doing things that are annoying.
Yeah. I mean,
if it's annoying, it's probably good.
Yeah, like honestly, if you play Puff and you shield cancel and like you just shield the ledge, try to get people, if it works,
do it every time.
do it, dude.
Go for those rests. Make them feel bad for falling.
If
for
it ain't broke, up throw rest.
Every time.
Every time. Like don't even try to back throw on the edge. Just up throw. You know they're not gonna do it. They're bad.
Yeah, they're bad players. That's why they got grabbed.
Yeah, honestly, you're just punishing lack of experience, not punishing the character.
Anyway, DK's down actually.
Anyway. Honestly, it's just a matchup. I don't think Penny's down. I think DK's down. I think you're right about
It seems that green camouflage is not working out at all.
Yeah. I mean, that was pretty meta strat, but
It was. He was trying to camouflage into Pokemon's on the ground.
yeah, I feel like the crouching might help. Yeah, just so you can camouflage.
Yeah,
All right. Anyway.
Oh,
nice.
nice. Against that. Oh,
Yeah, that is so hard to avoid.
that should be Falco's first activation off.
Right.
And he tells the casters to shut their mouth. That's very violent.
It's accurate casting right now.
Being very aggressive to the casters.
I think Adam's pretty triggered right now with his commentary.
You know, I'm normally unbiased when it comes to these, but I really hope Adam loses this one.
Yeah, I'm usually a bit impartial, but honestly, if Adam loses with Falco, it's just.
I think everyone's gonna be happy if he loses this.
I feel like everybody in this vicinity is going to be very happy if Adam loses.
Anyway, Penny's DK
Penny's 108%.
off the stage.
Clean back here. Clean back
And
here.
yeah, Adam gets to clean back and he's smiling.
Adam's like, wow, I played Falco. Look at me.
Yeah,
He's
look at
thinking
me, I
right
can
now.
do giant bear and
Wow, nice.
things like that.
He's hitting his buttons. See, Penny is like outthinking him, but Adam is just pressing buttons and winning. It's pretty hard to watch.
Pretty dumb. Yeah,
Pretty dumb. I feel like Adam's just not mad enough to play DK. That's what's happening right now. Oh, he's trying to get him in the pit. Oh, they're just dancing around each other, dude. They got the dancing shoes on. Even though DK has no
He
shoes.
tries to get those forward smashes through the stage. And
Oh,
he actually gets one.
succeeds.
And there goes
Wow.
the up air. Is he going to get anything off of it?
Adam is bustering out right now.
Nah, it seems
Back air. Oh, goes for the up air on the shield. Adam, sick usage of moves. He's gonna get him again.
he's looking for those forward smashes.
He's gonna get one. He got one already.
Yeah, he's looking for
Keeps
the
it
one.
one
Adam's a
special.
bad player, so he'll probably get hit by them.
He already got hit by one, dude. Oh, here. Oh, back throw. Nice. Grab the ledge.
Oh, yeah, and he grabs the
Clean.
DK with 120%. So let's take out 2 more stocks from Falco.
Yeah, he should zero death him twice. It's doable. It's doable.
Those spares are continuing not to work.
Yeah. Penny should really
And,
stop.
looks like that'll be the game. Adam actually takes the game. It's actually the most surprising thing.
Yeah. I am astonished right now.
But yeah, that number is correct. It is a 1 next to Frigid's name.
Like I had a pop quiz today, and this was the most surprising thing that happened. Oh, he's going back. FD, black DK. All right. Penny is still going for the fairs. I really think Penny should not go for the fairs anymore. I think that's a fair assessment.
I think you'd definitely be right in saying that.
Back there is just so much better.
Yeah, I think this is an okay state. It's questionable because if Falco gets grabbed, it should be death.
Yeah. Like Penny has consistently told me that this is DK's best stage in this matchup.
Yeah, I'm guessing Adam just wants to laser if he wants to have any chance here.
I mean, that's all Adam wants to do. Let's be real. Nice back throw. Doesn't DI the lasers. But I don't even know how to do that. Oh, nice lasers.
Yeah, you can smash the other lasers.
Yes. Right on. But Penny doesn't need to do that. Penny just needs one grab.
Yeah, he's looking for a
He's
grab
one
force
opportunity.
right back here.
Oh, nice double laser
Right
from the
now
ledge.
he's just getting comboed and you can't do much. It is a tough matchup even on this stage.
Oh,
anti-air.
anti-air?
Doesn't.
That was a mangle, dude. That was a mangle right
It
there.
was. He just.
Or Penny
spaced
buster
him.
down.
I think Penny buster down. It's just on the mangle.
Combination of both. Combination of both. So.
Either way, he was acting like mangle there.
Yeah, right there. I feel like. Oh, nice. Adam. Unless I hate to say it, Adam needs to grab more. I feel like grabbing is like.
Yeah, anytime you can get DK out of position, that's probably a good thing. So
Like,
grab
honestly-
should be good in this matchup.
I've played this matchup quite a few times. What I found works is spamming lasers one. Adam is obviously got a point.
Always
obviously.
do that. You're Falco.
Yeah, I mean, you want to win, don't you?
Yes.
And then the second one is running up on the shield, not running up, but lasering up on the shield, and then you usually get a grab off. Or
shine.
It's very hard to outspace DK shield with that. It's very weird.
DK doesn't have a great shield.
Yeah. So you gotta punish that shield. Nice combos, nice combos. Empty lasers. Cool, cool.
If it works.
Yeah. If the shoe fits. Even though none of them have shoes, because that's actually Falco's feet.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, there's robot legs.
Robot legs.
What happens when you're a pilot?
Actually, Adam plays all the pilot characters, which is, I think, ironic if you think about it.
It's true, it really does.
Alright, now let's see if we can get off the ledge.
Oh, and the fair, that should do it.
Litho is
It
clean.
does.
Alright.
2-2. Although TK is 110%, that's pretty high.
That's like nothing, dude. That's chump change. It's actually, like, at this percent, it's actually a lot harder for Falco to kill, because you can't get any, like, can't get as good combos off.
Oh, and Falco grabs legend, it's just like a
There we go. Oh, this could be anything. Penny floats it.
I know Penny does like to do the up airs, but on this stage you can go for the chain grabs where the cargo throw up can re-grab it. Doing it. Oh, the up airs are definitely swag.
Honestly, he's swagging out right now. Like, Adam is so uncool, Penny just needs to swag out that much more in order to, like, equate the coolness in the matchup. He's gonna make
Really swag, and it's actually a lot closer now.
Yeah.
TK with only 36%.
Adam's coming down with invincibility.
Let's see if Adam's good at this game or not.
Yeah, we all saw that Yoshi Story game.
Yeah, we did.
Saw that. We were all there. Nice. Penny, I don't know. Penny needs to stop going for the fairs. I'm actually getting triggered by these fairs right now.
I mean, once he gets one though, it seems to be pretty good. He might
Oh.
actually win the game off this. What's gonna happen?
No.
Oh, and the bear!
It can't be stopped.
The great
Yo.
trade to take
King
the easy set
of the
3-1.
Like, I wasn't even in that game. It was the easiest game of my life.
Yeah, that was actually amazing. Adam, you suck. Get better. That's all I pretty much have to say. No, you have anything else to say?
No, I think you said it all, dude. I think you said it all.
All right, GG.